Hello guys, Dhananjay here and welcome back to a new video. As you know, I'm as big a tech fan as you are. Probably bigger. I'm at the Vijay Sales store to check out the latest consumer tech. The scale of this place, oh my god, it's so huge. Do you remember the feeling when we used to go to amusement park as a kid? It's kind of the same feeling for me as well. The store is so huge, where should we even begin? MacBooks. Let's start there. MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, they have complete range of MacBooks here. MacBook Air with the M1 chipset is one of the most sought after laptop nowadays because it offers one of the best price to performance ratio, amazing display quality. Then we have iPhones here, the complete range of iPhones. We have iPhone 11, 12, 13 series of smartphones. This is the 13 Pro Max. If you're planning to shoot a film, you can actually do that because this device offers cinema-like quality. Not just that, it offers A15 Bionic chipset, amazing performance. One of the best processors you can get in the market. We are talking about the smartphones. How can we forget the Android phones? Let's go over there. These are Samsung range of smartphones. They offer great camera performance, overall performance is great. One of the reasons why I love using Samsung phones is because of this robust software experience and robust software updates as well. We also have Oppo and Vivo series smartphones. They have reinvented the smartphone market because of having great camera performance, starting from the budget segment to their flagship. And one of the best part about Oppo and Vivo phones is that they have very budget-friendly phones as well as some flagships which offer even better camera quality, one of the best camera quality experiences that you can get in Android smartphones. But before that, we should talk about the TWS earphones which are present here, which are truly wireless earphones. If you have any phone, Android phone or iPhone, it doesn't matter, these will work. And they have variety of brands, JBL, Noise, Boat, Realme. Then we have the Apple Watch series here. There are a bunch of health features, ECG, blood oxygen level, everything. Basically, if you are someone who is health conscious and want to check their ECG or blood oxygen monitoring is something which is very important for you, then these are definitely a worthy options. And that's it for smartphones and smartwatches. Now let's focus on laptops. I personally like to do gaming and I would love to have another gaming laptop. But everyone doesn't do gaming. Some people like to edit documents, Excel sheets, Word documents. Some people like to watch movies on their laptops. And Vijay Sales has a bunch of options. HP, Dell, Lenovo, Asus, Acer, everything is present here. So Vijay Sales has complete range of Marshall speakers here. I love the retro feel of these speakers and how you can hold them like this, pick it up and carry wherever. Talking of wireless speakers, I see Bose over there, so let's go. Bose wireless headphones, bunch of wireless headphones, wireless earphones as well, and the speaker. By the way, you must have seen a lot of TVs in the background since the beginning of this video. Vijay Sales is probably the LED TV paradise. They have a bunch of options here, starting from 32-inch, 43-inch, 50-inch, 55-inch, 65 inches. Ever since I walked in the store, I had my eyes set on the Bose SoundLink Micro. I guess I'm going to take it home today. Now that I've got my hands on the speaker, I'm excited to use it when I reach home. By the way, you know now where to go for your next tech shopping spree. All the gadgets that you saw today in the store are also available on the website www.vijaysales.com.